Welcome to the brand new HQ of the Dream Car Show. We've got a barn full of varied, interesting, amazing cars to have a really good poke around. It's a bit like Harry's Garage. Well, welcome to another Harry's Garage. Except everything you see here is for sale. We also have our ace detailer Steve as part of the Dream Car Show team, giving you hints and tips on how to keep your car absolutely perfect. We all like to keep our dream cars looking the best they can. We have Ace Detailer Steve as part of our show, and he'll be giving insider hints and tips on the best way to keep your car looking fantastic. We'll also be doing reviews on detailing products and equipment as well.
Waiting for a start and they're green and away. Rydell away, so is Reed. And look at Menu. Menu just darts through the middle, cuts off the nose of Reed and Rydell. They started all right, but he started his race like him again yesterday.
Cars.
Love them.
I love cars.
Cars are brilliant.
Cars are good.
They are. I love toys. Do you know what my favourite toy is?
A car.
Cars.
Engines.
They're in cars too.
Cars.
Brilliant.
I love them.
Was slow to McLean's. Peugeot got the run. He didn't have to hit him, but he did.
So here's a quick look at just some of the cars we've had in the barn. We've got some incredible cars coming up in the near future. We're going to be taking a really close, detailed view of those. And we'd really like you along for the journey. So if you want to subscribe and like and all that kind of stuff, that'd be fantastic. And maybe comment on what is your dream car, or what dream car would you like us to have a close look at. See you next week.